8915 16 Road, country perfection. Stunning 3-year ranch bungalow positioned perfectly on 1.03-acre lot, offers gentle roll to bordering forest and no neighbors. Stone, stucco, brick exterior complemented with stylish angled 3-car garage promotes a fantastic street appeal. Distinguished open concept interior meets all the I wants today's buyer demands. Boasts dark, rich, hardwood and porcelain tile flooring, 9 and 11-foot ceilings, captivating living room and dining area, accented with gas fireplace. Adjacent gourmet kitchen features custom cabinetry, center island, stainless steel built-in appliances, granite countertops, and garden door walkout to a covered rear entrance area. Main floor laundry, 2 bathrooms. Gorgeous east wing master includes stylish ensuite and walk-in closets. 2 west side bedrooms separated with Jack and Jill bathroom and direct garage entry. For more information, because you don't want to miss this rural masterpiece, call Peter Hogaterp from Remax Escarpment at 905-545-1188.